When was the last time you bought something online? Probably not too long ago. E-commerce and online marketplaces have become an integral part of our daily lives, and they are driving the way businesses evolve. Sales strategies are now shaped by the omni-channel nature of shopping. But expanding a company's sales channels comes with its own set of challenges: higher costs, disconnected systems, stock shortages, and discrepancies. So, how can you automate business processes across marketplaces to boost your company's competitiveness and visibility? A marketplace is an intermediation platform between buyers and sellers, acting as a trusted third party. Digitizing and integrating business workflows simplify the execution of your online sales strategies. Imagine receiving an order from a marketplace. With EDI or API integration, that order is automatically sent to your ERP or inventory management system. It triggers stock updates, order confirmations, and even shipping arrangements, all without manual input. Whether you're in retail, logistics, automotive, or manufacturing, document automation and integration is key to staying competitive. Let's explore how it works. EDI and API play a crucial role in standardizing the exchange of business documents between trading partners. These technologies enable real-time, automated data exchange between your business systems and the marketplaces where you sell your products. Both are commonly used technologies in the industry, but in the last years, APIs are gaining traction. With EDI, companies may exchange standardized electronic documents in real time using structured formats via specific communication protocols. EDI is well established in many industries such as logistics, automotive, retail, healthcare, where companies need to exchange essential information throughout complex supply chains. These projects require specialized setups due to strong security protocols and predefined mappings. APIs are software applications which provide more flexibility in formats and communications over HTTP, HTTPS. Data is synchronized immediately, making it ideal for marketplaces where quick updates on inventory, orders, and pricing are critical for both companies and users. APIs allow for specific, tailored integrations where businesses can decide what data to send and how to structure it. So, which technology is the best fit for your company? EDI and API integration increases communication efficiency, reduces management times, and improves response times to customers. As a company, you should analyze which technology best suits your strategy and requirements. For example, EDI supports easy onboarding for new partners if they are already connected to the provider's network. EDI is also better suited for managing mass data, it is highly secure, and has robust privacy settings. On the other hand, connecting by API will mostly be a requirement from marketplaces or retailers. It allows you to access different marketplaces and business partners that do not work with EDI. Let's see how our integration platform can support your business. Whether you use EDI or API, Edicom's integration platform enables you to automate and manage all your business flows electronically, whatever your ERP, messages, or standards you work with. Our centralized platform operates in the cloud and is managed by technical specialists who implement the necessary applications and resources to guarantee the uninterrupted electronic exchange of all your transactions. Companies that embrace automation through EDI and API integration are seeing faster growth, streamlined operations, and happier customers. Learn more about how we can help your business succeed. Contact us today for a personalized demo.